Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes how to enable and use the History button in Microsoft Edge Windows 11 10. Open Edge browser. Open Settings. Appearance, Toolbar. Turn on History. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.